Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need to move fast. First, confirm your iPhone supports NFC and is updated. This ensures compatibility. Once done, open Wallet and tap the plus button to add a card. You'll verify with your bank, so have your card or app ready. Next, choose a default card and enable Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This is required to authenticate. Doing these steps now prevents stalls at checkout and prepares you to tap and pay immediately. You'll learn how to complete a payment smoothly. Wake your iPhone and authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or the side button double-click when required. This signals the wallet app. Then hold the top edge of the phone near the contactless reader. Keep it steady until you see Done and a check mark. That confirms the payment. For transit gates or tip screens, make selections on screen when prompted, because some terminals request fare or tip before finalizing the charge. You should finish each payment by checking Wallet for the transaction and saving any digital receipt. This is how you verify charges. Once done, manage cards in Wallet, remove old ones, change the default, or add another card for backups. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Restart the iPhone, confirm iOS is current, then remove and re-add the card to refresh its token. If failures persist, contact your bank because token provisioning or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.